Hi guys, it's Danrie from Craft of Giving and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to share how to make Marvel's Jesus himself, Deadpool, in celebration of the new Deadpool 3 movie coming out. To make our little Deadpool figurine you'll need a pegboard like I just shown before, as well as your Perler beads in various colors, but we will primarily be using the black, red, a little bit of white, a little bit of yellow and a tiny little bit of grey. You'll need to find a pattern that you want to follow. I'll have my pattern typed out down below, but feel free to look online and you can find some awesome designs as well. I started down the bottom, working my way up to the top of his head by doing row by row, counting the little spaces in between. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit of a process to do this and you need to be patient as you are placing these beads one by one. I found it quite therapeutic, so put on a good podcast or some music, maybe a show that you enjoy, and just enjoy the process. Now, once you are finished with your design and you're quite happy with how it looks, be very careful not to bump it, because I've done that before and you play pickups and then have to start again, which is not so much fun. So here I am about to finish Deadpool's little head and then go ahead and start to warm up your iron. Now, it's important that you do not overheat your iron or make it extremely hot, because these beads do melt pretty quickly. Now, if you're a young person, please get an adult to help you with this next step, because I don't want anyone burning their little fingers. Place a sheet of baking paper over the top of your design and go ahead and apply the iron. I use my iron on a medium to high heat to get the beads going. Some people prefer a real high heat. I do not. I like having a little bit more control. It does take a little bit longer, but I prefer that. It's important to keep your iron moving. You don't want to have that applied heat just on one area constantly, because it will create an uneven melt. Now, don't be tempted to keep checking underneath the baking paper, because you run the risk of ruining your design, as some may have attached and some may not, and you risk pulling your design apart. Now, depending on the end desired result you will like, you need to stop melting your beads at a certain point. So if you prefer to have the flat look like this, where it's a bit more pixelated, continue to melt your beads. Otherwise, stop before that while you can still see the little circles in the beads. You will need to allow your design to cool completely before trying to even pull it off, because these beads do get extremely hot. Now, being very careful, you can start peeling your design off from one side and just taking your time to peel it off carefully, as it does tend to stick a little bit. Then once you're finished with your design, you can go ahead and melt the other side of the design if you so wish to. I did not. Or you can go one step further and apply a piece of felt on the back side to create a really cool coaster, depending on how you intend to use your design. Now, here we have it. Here's our beautiful little Deadpool. Now, let me know if you would like me to make Wolverine. I think that would be really cool. Leave a comment down below saying yay or nay for Wolverine. I think we have to. We're gonna have to. So here you can see the completed design. You can turn this into a coaster, like I said, or a beautiful art piece for the wall. Frame it, do whatever you like with yours. If you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel. I make videos on handmade gifts and other fun DIY projects. Thanks for watching. Bye!